Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to change the zip code on your Amazon Flex account. So as you can see, there is this official post on the Amazon website where they ask if you can change your region. So as you can see, yes, you can change your region as long as you are currently level 2 or higher in your reward status. If you do not meet the criteria, you can request that support close your account so you can onboard with a new account. So if you don't have a level 2 or higher level in your reward status, you'll have to close your current account and create a new one using a different email. So this is very important to the region of your choice. To check your reward status in the Amazon Flex app, go to menu, then to your dashboard, and then simply go to reward details. And if you are in the onboarding process, support cannot process a region change. If you entered an incorrect zip code or onboarded to the wrong region, please create a new account using a different email. So this is very important, and keep in mind that you have to use a different email. And if you want to submit a region change request in the Amazon Flex app, tap menu, then help, then contact us, and you have to go to the account management and then simply go to change my delivery area to let they know your preferred region, and then support will confirm if your region has been updated. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.